How to use quotation settings. First, go to the settings. Then go to quotation settings. Here you can see default settings. You can modify each setting as per your needs. Let's understand each setting one by one. You can set the desired prefix for your quotation number. This is the first part of your quotation number. Next, you can set up serial number for your quotations. Your new quotation number will start from this serial number and it will increase automatically for every new quotation. This is also a part of your final quotation number. This is how your final quotation number will look. Set discount options from here. Let's select the per item option for discount. This is how per item discount will be visible on the final PDF. To discount the total amount, you can choose the On the Total option. This is how the total discount will be visible on the final PDF. Select tax or GST settings here. Let's select the per item option for tax. This is how per item tax will be visible on the final PDF. To apply taxes on the total amount, you can choose the On the Total option. This is how total tax will be visible on the final PDF. Set Product HSN Display setting. If you set it to yes, then the HSN code for every item will be displayed on the final PDF. Here, you can customize greeting message for your quotations. This is how your top message or greeting message will be displayed on final PDF. Here, you can customize bottom message for your quotations. This is how your bottom message will appear on final PDF. Set payment instructions to yes if you want to display payment information on final PDF. Remember to add payment instructions in your business profile. This is how your payment instructions will appear on the final PDF. Thank you for watching.